Alright, James. Your name is just James.
Yeah, just James.
You going to around the world, travel around the world, maybe because your name is international name.
That's right.
And you're speaking in English right now, and you're the champion of the national competition of speech.
That's right.
Okay. Alright. About the competition, I'm wondering about the story behind you winning the competition.
Win the competition. All of my rivals are girls. The second winner is from Bali. The third winner comes from West Java, and the first winner comes from Pali Regency.
Alright, so Sumatra. I just want to know about how you treat yourself for good mentality to speak for other people.
I don't know, maybe because of I don't have any say anymore.
Pengaruh dari kampung Inggris terhadap kemampuan dan rasa percaya diri kamu di kompetisi itu.
Support me,
Yeah.
to be able to speak English. And if Kampung Inggris Tempirai isn't in the village, I will never meet with Bali persons
Yes.
and also West Java persons,
Yes.
right? I will never get the achievement.
Your hobby is studying?
Yeah, because if I don't get homework from my
Yeah.
teacher, I don't know if I stay in my home, I cannot do anything.
Alright. Itu harapan kita bersama ya, supaya nanti kampung Inggris bisa jadi pusat belajar bahasa Inggris, terutama dalam speaking,
Yeah.
dalam berbicara langsung. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel Indahnya Pali. Inovasi daerah punya Pali. Hari ini kita ada di ruang podcast Indahnya Pali. Ruang podcast Indahnya Pali ini menghadirkan tokoh-tokoh inspiratif, tokoh-tokoh motivatif yang akan memberikan inspirasi dan motivasinya bagi teman-teman semua. Hari ini kita telah kedatangan tamu, sosok yang masih muda, masih junior high school. Dia adalah the champion of the national competition of speech baru-baru ini. Please welcome JJ, Just James.
James. Okay,
Apa kabar James?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay James, maybe for the first time we want to know about yourself, about your family, your activity. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is James, and I am one of students of Junior High School PGRI Tempirai, and I am one of member of Kampung Inggris Tempirai. Okay, I would like to tell you about my family. In my family, there are 5 people. The first is my father. His name is Irwanto, and second is my mother. Her name is Desti. The third is my older sister. Her name is Mita Sarareta. Second is Mitra Arnani. She is a girl, and the last is me. And I am the last child actually.
Alright, you're the child. You have one sibling.
2 siblings.
2 siblings.
Yeah.
The girl and the boy.
No, both of them are girl.
Alright, you the only the boy in
The
your
only
family.
one boy. Actually, I have a brother, younger than me, but after he was born, already passed away.
Alright, okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Alright, James. Your name is just James.
Yeah, just James.
I have a story behind that.
Behind
Why you actually the name of the Tempiran people just a little maybe just
Yeah.
one word, James. Your founder of the Kampung Inggris Tempirai, the name is just Abri.
That's right.
Your friend yang came here to podcast is just Decha. Why?
Actually, I don't know because I'm still young, right? I don't know where does my father get my name?
Yes.
Maybe he watched a movie, maybe.
Okay.
And the name is James, so he makes my name is
James
James.
is famous in movies.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. The final decision of your name is just James.
Yeah, just James.
Okay. James is the famous and international name.
Oh my God.
Maybe have a story behind it. Hope from your father and mother or your parent, you're going to the global.
What?
You're going to around the world, travel around the world, maybe because your name is international name.
That's right.
And you're speaking in English right now, and you're the champion of the national competition of speech.
That's right.
Okay. Right. About the competition, I'm wondering about the story behind you winning that competition.
Win the competition.
Yeah.
Actually, in Indonesia there are 38 provinces, right?
Right.
And at that time, just 14 provinces joined the competition, and I am the only one boy in Sumsel first, in Seoul, Sumatra, and in the competition of junior high school, right? Because there is junior high school and senior high school.
Yeah, as well.
And then all of my rivals are girls. The second winner is from Bali. The third winner comes from West Java. And the first winner comes from Pali Regency.
Alright, so Sumatra. Well, it is interesting for me because there's the second winner from Bali. Bali is a big name about the tourism. So
right.
many tourism from around the world visit Bali. So I think the student from the Bali have a good English speaking.
That's right.
Yeah.
She has really good pronunciation.
Yes.
Not only her, but also all of my rebels. But I don't know why. Maybe because Pali Pacaknian. Yeah. Everyone from Pali must show that if Pali Pacaknian.
Alright, you are the confident boy. Confidence must be have from the speaking, because if you speak, many eye looking to you, right? How about your mentality? You get good mentality from the competition, because the speeches make attention from you for the competition. You know about I mean, right?
Maybe you can repeat your question.
Okay, because the competition is a big competition, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So many people pay attention for your speech. Because of that, you must have a confidence. You must have a good mentality for your speech. I just want to know about how you treat yourself for good mentality to speak for other people.
I don't know actually, because when I was a kid, I always follow Mr. Abri to meet, how to say, important person.
Okay.
And Mr. Abri always forced us to be confident. And from the, how to say, from that, I study that I must be confident person. Not only me, but also one of my friends, right? Because I have two friends. Their name are Decha and also Ramon. They have good, how to say, confident as well.
Yes.
And I don't know, maybe because of I don't have any shy anymore.
Okay. Alright. The confidence come from about your experience.
Yeah.
Experience. You speak with the important person, maybe.
Yeah.
So this is train you speak in other people and other audience, maybe many people audience in the competition, and you can win in this competition.
Actually, one of the reasons that I be the winner in the competition is I am confident.
Yes, because of that you're winning this competition.
Maybe all of my rebel, they could not get the first. Maybe the first their mentality you say last time, and maybe their English. But I think their English is really fluently, of course. I think just from confident.
Oh.
They are loser.
The confidence is the bigger reason why you can't win this
That's
competition.
right. Because if you have good English but you are not confident,
To speak in English.
you will never be able to.
Alright. Okay. How about Kampung English? Does Kampung English have an influence about your confidence, about your skills, about speak in English, and making you winning the competition? How big influence from the Kampung English Tempirai?
What
The
you mean?
influence pengaruh dari Kampung Inggris terhadap kemampuan dan rasa percaya diri kamu di kompetisi itu. Apakah lingkungannya memang the environment of the people of your friend in Kampung Inggris Tempirai make it that happen?
Yeah, it is one of the reason actually. And actually, Kampung Inggris Tempirai is really, how to say, support me, to be able to speak English. And if Kampung Inggris Tempirai isn't in the village, I will never meet with Bali persons and also with Java persons, right? I will never get the achievement, of course. But because there's Mr. Abri, and also he is my uncle, one of my family, so all of my friends from Kampung Inggris Tempirai, they support me.
Mr. Abi is your uncle?
Yes, of course. He is my father's younger brother.
Alright. Is happen because of genetical way maybe?
What?
Karena gak ada garis keturunan dari Mr. Abri kemudian ke kamu. Okay, tell me about your school.
About my school?
Yes, you are in junior high school.
Junior High School PGRI Tempirai, or the Republic of Union of the Republic of Indonesia. Persatuan Guru Republik Indonesia.
Oh, PGRI.
Yeah.
Okay. How about the school? What the subject you like in the school?
I like first is English, of course, and Indonesian. I like science a little bit because I think it's a little bit easy to think about science actually, and also actually I like all of the subjects.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm not the master. I just love the subject.
Not much people love all of the subject in the school, but maybe this is good, the good way.
Yeah.
Okay. You have a hobby? Hobby?
Of course I have a hobby.
What is your hobby?
First is studying. And
Your hobby is studying?
yeah, because if I don't get homework from my teacher, I don't know if I stay in my home, I cannot do anything.
Alright.
Yeah, I just play phone and it make my brain a little bit dirty. So
Was it a little bit
dirty?
dirty?
Yeah, because I always watch TikTok and play game. So how to say? If I always play phone, I think I will be lazy of studying.
Okay. And you not playing phone more?
Yeah, I just seldom play phone. If I feel bored and I don't have any homework.
Your hobby is studying, and you have other hobby?
My other hobby, swimming actually.
You like swimming?
I like swimming. And in Tempirai we have tourism. The name is Cangka, and I really like talking about there because the place is really, how to say, big, and the river, the water is really clear, of course, clear and clean.
What is it? Excuse me. Cangka.
Cangka.
Cangka is name is the river. Cangka.
Have you ever visited Cangka actually? No?
I have no idea.
Maybe someday you must visit Changka because
Uh-huh.
the water is really, how to say, cool, you know?
Oh, it's really cool.
Yeah,
It's a clean water.
yeah. Before, it's very dirty, but after Kical Dusun,
Okay.
it's really clear right now.
Kical Dusun itu apa? Mungkin dijelaskan, Kical Dusun adalah salah satu apa ya? Komunitas yang bergerak di bidang lingkungan, dalam hal ini tentang kebersihan ya, terutama di daerah sungai dan rawa yang ada di Tempirai.
That's right.
Oke. Hobi udah, subjek sudah. I want to know about your apa ya?
What?
Ngomongnya itu your hope about your future.
My future?
Your future.
I hope 1 year later, I can be a part of Seman Sumsel.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I want to build a home for my parents.
Be home for your parents.
Yeah, when I old later,
Okay.
if I have job in the future, if I can catch my dream, I will build home for my parents, and also I will support Kampung Inggris Tempirai to be the central of English in
In Sumatera.
in Sumatra.
In Sumatera and in already done.
Yeah, of course.
Because the only one, the one and only in Sumatera, and yes, itu harapan kita bersama ya, supaya nanti Kampung Inggris bisa jadi pusat belajar bahasa Inggris, terutama dalam speaking,
Yeah.
dalam berbicara langsung. Okay, your dream, you want to build your
My dream?
parent home, yes.
I have many dreams actually.
Okay.
First, I want to be a lecturer.
You want to be lecturer.
Yeah, lecturer. And after that, I want to be, how to say, businessman.
Okay. Lecturer and businessman.
Yeah. So I don't need to be really focused on my job, right?
Uh-huh.
I can from far, how to say, from far lah.
Okay. Oh, walah.
While building build my business,
Yes.
I be a lecturer.
Alright.
Yeah.
Why you want to be lecturer?
I want many students can understand about the education
Okay.
of many things, of course. Especially English.
And you want to be a lecturer in English subject.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. And what a business you want to build?
I haven't known yet actually. Maybe. Yeah, I haven't thought about that.
Okay. Maybe masih dalam apa perencanaan.
Yeah.
Alright. James, thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Thank you for your share about your life, about your achievement in the competition of English competition, national competition. Itu a big achievement. Menurut saya itu apa namanya itu pencapaian yang luar biasa di usia yang masih belia, masih SMP, sudah bisa mendapatkan yang sebenarnya memang menurut saya di Kampung Inggris Tempirai, di Kabupaten Pali pada umumnya memang ini luar biasa. Karena lahirnya Kampung Inggris Tempirai juga sebenarnya baru 2 atau 3 tahun nih masalahnya.
Yeah, that's right.
Sudah bisa menghadirkan prestasi yang luar biasa dari seorang James. Oke. Sekali lagi thank you for coming. I hope your dream is come true and you can pursue your dream, and everybody in your people on your people that loves you can be support you, especially for your uncle Mr. Abri.
That's right.
Semoga ini juga can be to inspire your friend and other student in the Pali, supaya nanti bisa menghadirkan prestasi-prestasi yang akan lebih banyak dan lebih baik dari apa yang sudah kita capai bersama. Oke, James, teman-teman semua, terima kasih. Itulah cerita dari seorang James, anak SMP yang berhasil mencapai juara pertama di National Competition Speech and English pada tahun 2023 ini. Terima kasih sudah mengikuti podcast ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di lain kesempatan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.